Alright, hey guys, it's me again, Kaden. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing different airplane crashes in this game. So yeah, anyways, let's do this one. I love this one. It's one of my favorite ones to crash in. Yo, you idiot! Oh my gosh, I hate when these dumb kids do this. Or grown-ups. Oh, I'm just gonna spawn my thing right. Yo, wow. What in the world? Why? Please tell me why. Anyway, so like I was doing, spawn my plane in, and the background noise is the bus again. I'm always on the bus. How did my tail catch fire? You know what? This video is all about crashes, so I'm just gonna fly it like that. Yeah.
Bank angle.
Oh boy.
Bank angle.
Everybody brace.
Bank angle.
Put your seatbelts on.
Bank angle.
Make an emergency
Bank angle.
landing.
Bank angle.
You will
Bank angle.
Piece of.
Bank angle.
You would
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
You guys, what is going on? What is going on?
Stall. Bank angle. Stall. Too low. Terrain. 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 Too low. Terrain.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm gone. I died. Time for the next crash, but I gotta wait for these idiots. Alright, so you guys are not idiots. I'm sorry. If they are watching this video in the future, I'm sorry. You guys are not idiots. Hope you see this video in the future. Remember to like and subscribe, please. Oh my god, I just dropped my phone. So guys, just remember to do this, okay? Alright, it's time to drive this plane. Guys, I hope you guys can hear me clearly. Turn this way, please. I'm gonna try and do a mid-air collision and crash into another plane. Oh, that's good. Tip of the wing came off because this video is about the plane.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
Alright, so we're going to be landing at the airport. Don't make fun of me that I don't know how to read. So the airport names I see in the air, I'm going to name them by the first letter. So I'm going to try and land at airport W. Where's their names?
Bank angle. Bank angle.
Don't tell me they're all over here. Wait, I went out the map? That's why. Oh, not even a map. Why is it? Yep, there go that airport that starts with
Bank angle.
the letter W. I'm gonna try and land there, but I'm gonna on purposely crash.
Bank angle.
Do you think I should crash at the airport or in a building? Or in a field or a neighborhood?
Bank angle.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the airport crash. And after that, the crash into the city and the building.
Bank angle.
And then the field crash, and then the neighborhood crash. Is that boat I was just on? Up, here it
Bank
comes.
angle.
These are just random islands, not part of airport W landscape. Oh, what the heck? I could crash into that person, man. This sucks. Yo, what am I seeing right now? These people, it's like so.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
Alright, you know what?
Bank angle. 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 Bank angle.
I know I'm in a bank angle.
Bank angle.
I have to.
Bank angle. 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 Bank angle.
There go the city in the airport right
Bank
here.
angle. Bank angle. Too low. Terrain. 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 Too low. Terrain.
Guys, we have emergency land. I'm on fire. Yay, I died. So I can respawn. That's why. Oh, somebody spawned in the Airbus A380. Oh my gosh. You know what? This is the. I'm gonna do a crash with the Airbus A380. That's probably gonna be the mid-air collision. You know, I'm gonna spawn a plane right here, so then we could do a collision on the runway. Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh shoot! I could have went with him and crashed into him. Now I'm gonna try to make this one mid-air collision. Oh crap! So why does that person look like me so much in my other character in some other games? I'm gonna wait for a second. I'm gonna try and see if anybody gonna take off. Wait, I'm gonna turn around all the way. Oh crap! Right there, right there, right there! I need to go. Hurry! Oh crap! Oh.
Bank angle.
All right.
Bank angle.
This is the required.
Bank angle.
Alright, we have to do an emergency landing, that's all. Oh my gosh, that other plane hit me, and he blew up in midair. That Boeing plane.
Bank angle.
That was a Boeing
Bank angle.
747. Oh crap.
Bank angle.
I can't see nothing. Emergency landing, we have to do. Are those trees?
Bank angle.
Those are trees, can't land there. We need to land somewhere where there's no trees. And it's empty.
Too low.
And it's filled. And it's filled.
Terrain too low. 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 Terrain too low.
Wow. Everybody died. What the heck? Yo, this bus is too loud. Alright, you know what? I'm too impatient to wait to go to the airport. So I'm just gonna spawn in that same plane and take it off right here. Yeah, you can see your brother on fire. Not no more. Yeah, I killed your brother, so next is your turn. Well, I swear I saw something fall off.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
Yo, is that sparking?
Bank
Yo,
angle.
it's my plane starting to catch fire. It's like sparking everywhere.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
Oh my
Bank angle.
gosh,
Bank
what is
angle.
going on?
angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank angle,
Wait, is that a
bank angle,
volcano? Oh, it is a volcano.
bank angle, too low, terrain, too low, terrain,
Shut up, you piece of crap.
bank angle, too low, terrain, too low, bank angle, too low, bank angle, bank angle, terrain, too low, terrain, too low, bank angle, terrain, too low, terrain, too low, terrain, too low, bank angle, terrain, too low, terrain, too low, terrain, too low, bank angle,
Alright. Oh,
bank angle,
back in my
bank
place,
angle,
that's
bank
fine.
angle, terrain, too low, terrain, too low, terrain, too low, bank angle, bank angle,
We're losing control.
bank angle,
Not good. Alright, we need to stop that. You know, it's weird how it just lost control like that.
bank
That was so
angle,
unexpected. I see Airport W name ahead.
bank angle,
Oh, right here.
too low, terrain, too low, terrain, too low, bank angle, terrain,
Ah!
too low, terrain, too low, terrain, too low, terrain,
I was hoping we could do a crash landing, but then I went nose. Oh my god. We just went in an instant nosedive. Like, come on now. Alright, time for the nose I'm gonna do United. Yo, what the heck? Please help me.
Also, those of you who are looking to take off, please make sure you guys are in.
This is not United. This is not United.
You can call, you can let us know here inside the office, but you have to do
Alright,
your part.
paint,
Make sure you guys are putting
Bucky,
all
bucket.
instances inside of the system. Sick days, personal days, vacation days.
Bucket, baguettes.
If you guys are off, it has to be put into the system so you can correctly be paid.
Better be white on the other side. You stupid idiot. Who did that? You know what? I'm just gonna take off. Yep, just let my plane like this. This is a crashing video, so. Shut up! Okay. Oh my gosh, these stupid bus people. I know. You need a heck alone. You know, I'm not gonna take off for the runway. Yeah, take away the. I'm just gonna do a smaller plane at this point. Oh my gosh, my head. I never drove in this plane. This might actually gonna be my first time. Yo, what the?
Bank angle. Bank angle.
Yo, are you trying?
Bank angle.
Are you trying to be a copycat of what happened to that Air Canada plane in Toronto? But not on the runway after you took off, but you just landing. Bro, that plane was kind of trash acting. Well, acting trash, not trash acting. What the heck is that?
Bank angle.
Bruh.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
Man,
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank
dad angle, dad angle. You know what? I'm abandoning you. I'm abandoning you.
Bank angle.
Please let me out of you, please. Respawn, please. Respawn. Bounce. Yo, I'm having a seizure. Not no more. Bye, guys.